This is Farshid with another video just for you. In this video I will show you how to install the red disc. Use 220 or 320 grit sandpaper to make sure that the copper pipe is smooth. Use a paper towel to wipe off the pipe. Apply a small amount of silicone caulk to the back of the red disc. Insert the disc and push it all the way against the wall. You should see a little bit of that silicone caulk oozing out. Next, apply silicone grease to the O-ring. Slip the O-ring over the copper pipe. Push it all the way back until it meets the red disc. Then take a small screwdriver, insert the O-ring into the groove. It should sit nicely inside the groove. Next, reassemble the spout. Lastly, you can apply a little bit of that silicone caulk to seal between the top of the spout and the wall. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.